Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme UI 3.0. Should you update in the Realme X1 Max device or not? Yes friends, I've been using the stable version of the Realme UI 3.0 for the past 24 hours to 48 hours of time. This is a stable official update, and I'm getting plenty of comments on this one topic, that should we update to the stable version or not? Is there any issues going on in this update? So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video, exactly what's happening in the Realme X1 Max device. So let's talk about first major problems what I did face and what are the other subscribers also faced is regarding the always on display. Always on display is not functioning properly after this update. I'll try to show you a couple of comments as well, which I did get. As you can see, after 3.0 stable update, AOD not working properly. These exact comments which I'm getting today, within 25 minutes back, 26 minutes back, as you can clearly see. I'm also facing the AOD issues. So it's kind of irritating for some of the users. So you might be facing this kind of issues in the Realme UI 3.0 regarding the always on display functionality. So that's something to be noted. Not only that, even some of the users did mention that there will be some problems regarding the edge lighting effect as well. So edge lighting effect may also get impacted because of this Realme UI 3.0 stable update. So two problems will be there if you try to update to the Realme UI 3.0. And next thing is about the battery backup. Battery backup kind of seems to be kind of okay, I would say, but it also depends upon one user to other users. So I cannot totally guarantee that. So normally you can definitely expect 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time in the Realme X1 Max device. And the charging time takes about 50 minutes of time. No issues with the charging time, 50 to 53 minutes, somewhere around that kind of time. Nothing much major problems with the charging speed. And also one more quick note to remember that the Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz transmit links will change and decrease to 144 Mbps. Transmit link speed 144. So from 300 Mbps, it did decrease to 144 Mbps. I'm not sure why it got decreased, but in the 2.0, there is no such problem. I'll try to show you the other phone as well in the 2.0. The Realme X1 Max device I do have with me. This is the Realme X1 Max device with the Realme UI 2.0. As you can clearly see, Realme X1 Max. In this device, there is no issues with the Wi-Fi connection. I mean, 2.4 GHz is exactly 300 Mbps of transmit link speed. As you can see, 300 Mbps. Same thing, no issues. So that's something to be noted in case if you're looking to update to the Realme UI 3.0, keep that in mind. So next thing is about the temperatures and CPU throttling graph. I'll try to show you exactly how is the graph looks like. So throttling is happening and it became a little bit kind of worst as well when compared with the Realme UI 2.0. These are the throttling tests which I did do after the update. You can clearly see here. This is a graph of Realme UI 3.0. Yes, exactly. So throttling may happen in the device, and the temperatures did increase up to 41 degrees. That's something to be noted. And Batman's mobile game, you cannot play at 90 FPS. It will be completely capped at 70 FPS. Like some users, they are okay with that. Like we don't want to stress the mobile phone anyway. 70 FPS is working fine. Then that's good, all good. But some users, they're not okay with that. For you, better stay in the Realme UI 2.0. Because in the 2.0, we can actually play at 90 FPS in some of the software updates, if you remember. So that's something to be noted. So you might lose the 90 FPS if you update to the stable update in the Realme X1 Max device. Some users already mentioned that after the update also the fingerprint sensor just got disappeared in the Realme X1 Max device. So you can clearly see sometimes, like I'm not saying that everyone will be facing these issues, only few users may face this kind of issues. There might be some kind of delay in terms of the fingerprint unlocking sometimes, but I'm not saying everyone, only few users may face this kind of problems. So this is a quick update friends on the Realme X1 Max device regarding the Realme UI 3.0. And if you ask me should you update or not, like if you really care about always on display, edge lighting effects, and if you want 90 FPS, all those aspects, better stay in the Realme UI 2.0. Like there's nothing much major improvements I can say. Advantages, if you ask me, nothing much major advantage if you try to update to the Android 12 anyway. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick summary which I are doing on the Realme UI 3.0, and there is no improvement in the camera as well. Camera is exactly same as usual, so it's functioning pretty good. No issues with the camera in the Realme X1 Max device. Nothing got changed at this moment. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.